our mold for 40 popsicles. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a depth of 14.5 inches, a length of 9.5 inches, overall height with handle, we have 11.5 inches. You'll have 4 rows with 10 each to make popsicles. And the measurements for each, we have at least 1 3/4 inches in length, a depth of 3/4 inches, and the overall height of 3 1/4 inches tall. Those are the measurements for each popsicle. And again, you have 4 rows, 10 for each, total of 40 popsicles can be created. Last but not least, the shape of the popsicles will be the one as seen here. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information. Thank you.